So with creating the offer, here's what you want to do. First, you can have just now this is one of the ways to do it. This is a way to start making money selling your advice doing this, okay? Because the beginning of this, we wanted to learn how to generate leads and sales. So you can start warming people up and start selling stuff, but we've got to figure out this page. Until we know what the offer is, we can't create the video sales letter, and we can't create the landing page until we get the video sales letter created. Because how would we know what to put on this page until we know what this video says? And we can't know what the video says until we know what the offer is. So it's like marketing in reverse. You start in reverse and work forward. So on the offer. So again, we came here, we went out to social media to find the problem. We looked for patterns. Now that we've decided on something, we're going to give something a try based off actual, we went out there and found actual stuff. So we're not just guessing. We know that this is a hot topic. Now we're going to create an offer around it. We're going to solve the problem. Okay. Now we got to create the offer. So what do? Well, your solution, here's a simple way to start. We're going to charge anywhere from $150 to $1,500 one time. Yes, you can charge more. Yes, you can charge less. But if you're just trying to create a product, you can always make it better. You could create a $150 product, and then you can make it better and bigger and add on to it and make it more substantial and everything, okay? But to get something going out there quick, because, speed, money loves speed. And if we can get out there fast with a product and test it, then we can always enhance it, make it better, etc. So your solution, create something that is under 10 steps. It's under an hour long, and you're only solving one problem. Okay, you're focusing on one problem. Maybe it's a training about how to hit your drive straight. Okay, it's $150 or $50 or 47 or whatever. Just let's find out if this is going to sell. Okay, so we're gonna lay out the plan. What are the 10 steps? You don't create it first. You just lay out the 10 steps. We want to make this under an hour long. It's a quick, punchy, powerful product. Like, man, I need a pair of shoes. $150 later, I have a pair of shoes. It's an offer at that caliber, that level. So what we do is we come up with the 10 steps that are under an hour long that solve that one problem that we just discovered. Next, your VSL. So you need something to sell that offer now. Okay, so now we're going to now that we know what the offer is, now we need to create a sales video to sell it. So what do we do there? I created a video sales letter outline. It's a simple one. This is a very quick video, and it's down in the resources section, but let's look at it real quick. Okay, so that you got an introduction hook. Start with a compelling question or statement. Remember, we found that one down in the questions of the comments. You could use a very compelling opening question. Hey, are you tired of just lugging your driver around? You never use it. You abandon it because you don't know how. It's just wasting space, and you need it, but you're not doing it. Well, guess what? I want to share with you exactly how we can change that, and you can start hitting your driver straight, yada, yada. The reason I'm here to tell you this is because I'm a PGA, golf trainer. I've been doing it for XYZ years, and I figured this out. Listen, that's 30 seconds long, so it's snap, snap. And then inspire. So we got the inspire, educate, ask, motivate, copy framework. It's a very good one. So for 1 minute, share storytelling. Start talking about the problem. Share, we had this guy that came in and he couldn't hit the ball straight either, and yabba dabba da. And then start painting the picture of what can happen once you figure out how to do this. And then start educating. So dive deep into the common problems that people have with that particular thing. And for that particular audience, okay, so this is golfers in this case, not hitting the driver. And then talk about the nature of the situation. So, yeah, you go up there, you're standing wrong. The more you talk about the nature of things and the more you talk about the problem and explaining and sharing, the more they're going to trust you, okay? The more they're going to trust you. And then talk about the common ways to fix it without your product. So we're not even mentioning your product yet. We're just talking about common ways that they can try to fix this on their own. And they're going to see, wow, yeah, that's hard. I've seen that before and I still can't figure it out. And then you can introduce your product and you can say, now, you can do it all these ways on your own, or you can come over here and, here's what this is. And then you start explaining the features and benefits of your quick program, less than 10 steps, less than an hour, you can learn. And then directly ask them to take the next step. Purchase, sign up, get on the call, whatever. And then say, now, I've got a very included time-sensitive offer, okay? A reason to act now. Now, for the first 10 people that get started, I'm going to do a quick 15-minute, driver overview where you can get on Zoom and you can show me how you're holding the club or whatever, and I'll do that for the first 10 people that join, and you'll get this special bonus if you join right now kind of thing, okay? So that's what you do there. So that's the ask. So again, 30 seconds. Don't overthink this, please. 30 seconds, okay? And then motivate. So, project the success, reiterate the positive outcomes that are possible, the testimonials, you could share those, or you could use logic and data. Like, instead of having like, Sally did this and that kind of testimonial, you can always just use logic and data. Like, when you watch this, when you hold the thing like this, for me, I like to use the logic and data by just walking people through the funnel. I'm like, look, they go here, then they go here. You've done that before. I don't have to show a picture of somebody doing anything, right? You're here, you're doing it, you're watching this. Okay, it's like I can use that kind of stuff. And then repeat the call to action, emphasis the limited nature of the offer. And then again, reassurance, be like, hey, I know a lot of you have tried these things and that thing, don't worry, or you could do a guarantee of some way, shape, or form. It doesn't always have to be a money back guarantee. It can always be like, if you're not happy, you can cancel anytime and, you can keep all the whatever, okay? You can keep the bonuses. And then thank you, okay? 6 minutes. So, and then here's some notes, tone, style, visuals, and pacing. So that's in there. You can grab that, just build your VSL off of that. And that is what goes on this page right here. This is this video right here. If you need to get pictures, you can go to pexels.com. You can get all kinds of videos and pictures that are royalty free. That means you can just use them. You can go to ChatGPT-4, can help you with answering some of these questions in here if you don't know how to go about it. And then just use Loom to record it. There's a button down in the resources. You can grab Loom. It's what I'm using right now. I can record my screen. You can see me. I can draw. You've seen me draw here with the pen and stuff like that. On Miro, you can draw as well. It stays on the screen. This disappears after I let go of the mouse. But just keep it simple. This is the key thing here.